Hi guys, happy Monday. We are going to start out with our rhyming. All right, so remember you're going to repeat after me. Then you're going to give me a thumbs up if the words rhyme, a thumbs down if it doesn't rhyme. Here we go. Dirt shirt. You got it. Less will. Bird for. Money, honey. C, B. Good job. Next one, I'm gonna say two words and then the sound that they start with, and you're gonna repeat. Paint, pen, puh. Near, name, Mom, most, Find, feel, Room, ramp, Nice job. The next one, you need your choppers. We're working on blending words, all right? I'm going to give you two parts of a word, and then we're going to blend them together. All right, our first word. C. Your turn. He. Me. We. Be. Nice. All right, the next one is our roller coaster, everybody. So you're going to need that roller coaster, and you're going to watch me first. Then it's your turn to make your own. Here we go. Mat. At. Middle sound. Ah. Hen. Middle sound. Sit. It. Middle sound. Top. Op. Middle sound. Cut. Middle sound. Nice job. All right, we need our choppers again. We're going to do the reverse. I'm going to say the word and then chop it into two pieces. Then it's your turn. Hey. A. Say. A. Day. A. Way. A. Pay. A. Nice job. Two left. The next one is adding phonemes. So we're going to have a piece of a word, and then you're going to add a beginning, all right? You're going to repeat after me. O. Add g. Go. I. Add h. Hi. A. Add d. Day. Ooh. Add y. You. E. Add s. See. All right, the next one is deleting parts of your word. All right, so We're going to hold a little word in our hands, and then we're going to take a part away. All right, the word you're going to hold is may. Without what's left is a. We. Without what's left is e. Tie. Without what's left is I. Low. Without what's left is O. Zoo. Without what's left is ooh. Good job. And actually, there is one more piece this week. This is new. I didn't even see it. All right, we are going to practice substituting phonemes today. So this might take a few tries because we've never done it before. But we're going to start out with a word, and I'm going to use my two fists, okay? My word is go. I'm going to change the g to s. And our new word is so. All right, so I want you to repeat after me. We'll do the rest. So. Change the s to n. No. No. Change the n to l. Low. Low. Change the l to t. Toe. Toe. Change the t to g. Go. Nice job. That one was probably a little tricky, but we're going to practice it every day, so you will pick up on it before you know it. All right, have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.